Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Dog Life Jackets is probably one of the most important safety gears for your small dog, especially if your furry friend loves to swim or spend time near water. These jackets provide buoyancy, helping your dog stay afloat and reducing the risk of drowning. Whether you're boating, swimming, or simply playing at the beach, a life jacket can offer peace of mind and ensure your dog's safety in the water. Number 5. Outward Hound Granby Splash Dog Life Jacket. This life jacket is designed for dogs of all skill levels. It provides maximum flotation to keep your pup safe in the water. This will help them enjoy swimming more. Make sure to watch our fitting video to ensure the best fit. It features adjustable straps with quick-release buckles for a snug, comfortable fit. It comes in various sizes to fit different breeds. The bright color with reflective trim increases visibility in low-light conditions. This helps you keep an eye on your dog while they swim, boat, or play in the water. It ensures their safety. Dual rescue grab handles make it easy to lift and assist your dog when needed. The front neck float offers additional support to help keep their head above water. This design is very helpful. It's made with Ripstop material for strength and breathability. This sleek and lightweight life vest allows for natural movement. It keeps your dog comfortable in and out of the water. What we like. This life jacket offers strong buoyancy, ensuring your dog stays afloat with ease. The adjustable straps provide a comfortable and secure fit, accommodating various breeds. If you're looking for a life jacket that prioritizes safety and visibility, this is a great choice. What people say. It's super lightweight, but covers him effectively. I love that you can adjust to fit your dog around the neck and around the waist. That makes this my favorite. It has extra security with the Velcro and all of the claps. The jacket fits great because of careful measuring. The XS would have been a little bit too tight and too small, so I ordered the small and it fits perfect. It looks comfortable for her to wear. It even has a collar piece to keep her head up in case she tires when swimming. The jacket goes from neck to right after her tail. The Velcro is nice and tight, then you adjust the straps and clip her in. It's very easy to use and it doesn't bother her to wear it. Love the two handles on the back to haul her up out of the water and onto the boat. Number 4. Ripstop Shark Life Vest for Dogs, Rose Red XS. This life vest is made of high-quality floating polyester. It also features an advanced breathable mesh underbelly. This design ensures good flotation and proper draining and drying for your dog. The vest has an adorable shark fin design. It includes adjustable nylon straps and quick-release buckles. These features, along with a comfortable magic sticker system, ensure it stays securely fastened. There's a sturdy nylon handle on the back for emergencies. A D-ring is also included for leash attachment. This allows you to keep your dog close and safe. The life jacket has reflective accents in a bright color. This design helps to increase your dog's visibility in the water. You can easily spot them. This dog life jacket is lightweight yet sturdy. It keeps your small and medium breed dogs afloat. It is perfect for boating, canoeing, surfing, or swimming. What we like. This life jacket features a fun shark fin design, making your pup the star of the show. It's made with high buoyancy fabrics to keep your dog afloat. If you like a life jacket that combines safety with a playful look, this is perfect for your furry friend. What people say. It fit her well and she looked comfortable in it even when swimming in the water. The handle comes in handy if needed. The fit is perfect and adjustable, providing both comfort and security for my little one. Number 3. Doglay Dog Life Jacket for Swimming. This Doglay life jacket features bright colors and reflective stripes. The design enhances visibility in low light, making it easy to spot your dog. It's perfect for boating, swimming, or just playing at the beach. Is your dog new to the water? This vest can help them overcome their fear. It also assists older dogs or those with joint issues during hydrotherapy. Made with high-grade materials, this jacket provides superior buoyancy. The breathable mesh underbelly allows for quick drying and comfortable play. It's designed to keep your dog afloat and happy. The adjustable belt and hook loop make it easy to put on and take off. There's a handle on top for quick rescues, and a heavy-duty hook for a leash. It ensures a comfortable fit for all breeds. Measure your dog carefully using the size chart. Chest girth is the most important measurement. If your dog is between sizes, choose the larger one for a more comfortable fit. What we like. This life jacket is designed with reflective stripes for enhanced visibility, ensuring your dog is easily spotted in the water. It also provides superior buoyancy and is easy to put on and take off. If you are looking for a life jacket that is easy to use and provides excellent visibility, this is a great option. What people say. It keeps her afloat just enough so she doesn't go under, and it keeps her head above water as well. She seems like she's comfortable with it on and is able to swim with no problems. We love the little handle and the ability to adjust to her small frame using the straps. Number 2. Ruffwear Float Coat Dog Life Jacket, Blue Dusk, Small. This life jacket is designed to keep your dog supported in the water. You'll have peace of mind on every swim, float, or paddle out knowing that it's built for safety. Unsure about the size? Check the sizing chart and video to measure your dog correctly. A proper fit ensures more comfort, control, and confidence on every adventure for them. Strategically placed foam panels support a dog's natural swim position. It offers confident flotation without restricting movement. It's a must-have for lakes, rivers, and surf. The low-profile handle is reinforced and perfectly placed for helping your dog back into the boat or up the dock. It's ideal for boating, paddleboarding, or those just-in-case moments. The adjustable telescoping neck closure ensures a snug, stay-put fit on all breeds. It's designed to accommodate a wide range of dog types, including deep-chested and hard-to-fit dogs. Tonal reflective trim boosts visibility during early morning paddles or late-day floats. Plus, a built-in light loop fits our beacon light, sold separately, to help your pup stay seen in low light. What we like. This life jacket offers a secure and comfortable fit, giving you peace of mind. The strong handle makes it easy to lift your dog out of the water. If you have a dog that loves to swim and you want a life jacket that prioritizes both safety and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. The handle on the back is perfectly positioned to help my dog back on the paddleboard. It's lightweight, highly adjustable, has great buoyancy without being bulky, dries quickly, and I swear my dog acts like he doesn't even know it's on. The handle is perfectly positioned and there is a safety loop, conveniently and nicely out of the way, underneath it. Number 1. Dog Life Jacket, lightweight, reflective, blue, size S. This dog life jacket is designed with high flotation material, ensuring your pet stays afloat. It provides excellent buoyancy, keeping their head above water effortlessly. Featuring a sturdy lift handle on the back, this vest allows for quick rescue. You can easily lift your dog out of the water in case of any emergency. Made from lightweight materials, this life jacket won't weigh your dog down. It's constructed with breathable fabrics, ensuring comfort during wear. Putting this life jacket on your dog is simple and quick. Just secure the buckles around the neck and fasten the magic straps around the chest. The jacket includes a large reflective section on the back for enhanced visibility. This feature makes it easy to spot your pet in the water, day or night. What we like. This life jacket is made with high flotation material, ensuring your pet stays afloat. The lift handle on the back allows for quick rescue in emergencies. If you have a dog that needs extra support in the water, this lightweight and easy-to-use life jacket is a great choice. What people say. The Velcro allow for flexibility. There is neck support to keep her mouth out of the water if she were to fall in. Good sturdy handle to grab her if needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.